Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School Class 6 subject Social Science. Today we are going to see the classwork. Write the index, latitude and longitude. Don't write these topics and all. You write only the subtitle, the latitudes and longitudes. Globe, latitudes and longitude. Introduction part to know about the model of the earth. Objectives to understand what longitude and latitude and how they are useful to us. Topics: importance of parallel of latitudes, heat zones of the earth, what are longitudes and time, why do we have standard time. The mind map of this lesson: latitude and longitude. You draw the circle. You should write all the subheadings like this: longitude and time, standard time, heat zones, parallels of latitudes, axis, globe. Like this you should write it. Now we are going to see about longitude. The lines needed to fix the position of a place along with the latitudes, longitudes and time. The measurement by the movement of the earth and moon, the planet. Standard time. Standard time for whole country is known as standard time. Heat zones, torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. Parallels of latitudes: Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. The needle fixed through the globe is axis. Globe, a model of the earth. The D words with meaning and Tamil and English. Globe, three-dimensional model of the earth is called globe. Rotation, movement of the heavenly bodies on this axis called rotation. Greenwich Mean Time, the time of the Greenwich Meridian is known as Greenwich Mean Time. Meridian of Longitude, the imaginary lines joining the north and south poles with the reference to the prime meridian called meridians of long halves. To make something reduced by an half. Latitude, the distance of a place, the north and south pole of the time. Torrid zone, temperate zone, high temperature throughout the year. Temperate zone, moderate temperature. Frigid zone, extremely cold. Standard time, the local time of a meridian of the longitude considered valid for the whole country. One mark. Choose the correct answer. The whole of the prime meridian, the answer is 0. First is 90 degree, 0 degree, 60 degree. The frigid zone lies near the poles. The first option is poles, second option equator, third option is Tropic of Cancer. The total number of longitudes are 360. Answer is 360. The first option is 360, second option 180, third option 90 degree. The Antarctic Circle is located in the southern hemisphere. The first option is northern hemisphere, second option is southern hemisphere, third option is eastern hemisphere. The grid is the network of the parallels of latitudes and the meridians of longitudes. Here the options are the parallels of latitudes and the meridians of longitudes, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, the northern pole and south pole. The answer is the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude. Filling the blanks. Fill the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Capricorn is located in dash. Is 23 half south of the equator. It is the answer. The standard meridian of India is 82 half east. There are 11 time zones. How many time zones? 11 time zones in Russia. The distance between the longitudes, distance towards the poles. The Arctic Circle is located in northern hemisphere. The answer is northern hemisphere. State whether the given statement true or false. Distance between GMT and the any places 180-degree longitude could be 12 hours. True. Rotation of the earth on this axis is from east to west. False. The axis of the earth is titled as known in the globe. True. The place of the east of the Greenwich are headed of this time. True. All places of the same longitude have same time. True. 2 marks. What is true shape of the earth? The true shape of the earth is coiled earth like a shape. What is a globe? The globe is the three-dimensional model of the earth which shows the earth in the actual shape with all continents and the oceans. Define latitude. Angular distance from the equator on the both the side is called latitude. What are the three heat zones of the earth? Torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. Which two places are on the same latitude but in different hemisphere? The two places of Chandrapur in Maharashtra is 20 north and below horizontal in Brazil on 20 south. The 3 marks is this is below horizontal in Brazil on 20 south. The 3 marks is what is the difference between the parallels of latitude and the meridians of longitude. Parallels of latitude, these are the imaginary circles. They run parallel to the equator in this north and south. This is the first point of the parallels of latitude. Meridians of longitude, they are an imaginary semicircle parallel to the prime meridian, then run from the north pole to the south pole. There is a number is 180 degree. Here number is 360 degree. Why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? The sun shines perpendicular between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The perpendicular sun rays gives more heat slanting to the sun rays. Define local time. Local time is calculated by the position of the sun and at noon of the given place. It is based on the local meridian passing through that place. The place were lying in north and the south on the same meridian will have the same level of time. 5 marks. Describe the important parallels of latitude. First is equator. Equator is the smallest parallel running in the east to west direction. Second point is it is a great circle. Tropic of Cancer. It is the parallel of 23 half north in northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn. It is the parallels of the 23 half south in southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle. It lies at 66 half north of the equator. Antarctic Circle. It lies at 66 half south of the equator. 90 is parallel. 90-degree parallel. It is shown by the point. It is length is 0. North Pole. It is at 90 north of equator. South Pole, it is at 90 south of the equator. So you should draw the diagram. Major parallels of latitude. You should draw like this. Children, the assignment here is you should study the 2 marks fully. Thank you, children. This lesson has been completed.